That is a wonderful way to honor our flag and our country. In 1954, President Dwight D. Eisenhower signed the bill proclaiming November 11th as Veterans Day and called upon all Americans everywhere to rededicate themselves to the cause of peace. Our junior high students participated in an essay writing contest about Veterans Day. Here is Zachary Gold.
Veterans are some of the most deserving people of our country's honor. These are the people who have once forsaken everything about their life to go and work for our country's greater good. These are people with patriotism so strong they enlisted to protect all of us citizens. Veterans have a sense of valor and honor like no other. They have helped create the life that all of us live in, and these people should be honored for it. Going off to military duty must have required a lot of sacrifices. Veterans once had to leave behind their livelihood, friends, and those they loved. Some people never made it back, giving the ultimate sacrifice, their life. I tried to imagine myself in their place, and I am in awe of how, despite all of this, they still found it in their hearts to serve. Once enlisted, more hardships arose. First of all, soldiers-to-be had to go through much rigorous training. Some people didn't even want to enlist. They were drafted. In times of war, once done training, it was off to the war zone. They had to cross much terrain, fear pressing them, while knowing their life could be lost at any moment. Some veterans are still plagued by memories. Many people imagine veterans as hardened, returning soldiers. That isn't always so. People may know more veterans than they think. My papa, who lives in Woodlands, Texas, served in the military. Thankfully, he is still alive and kicking, with a great sense of humor, and he enjoys spending time with my siblings and me. A lot of my friends' families that I know are also veterans. Veterans are strong examples of heart and citizenship for us to follow. No matter which war or how long served, these Americans should be honored for answering the call. As I was writing this, my city was going through Character Counts Week, a time to remember to express good character and do what is right. I think veterans are good examples to look at, for they've shown citizenship, caring for our country, responsibility, and other values. I hope all people appreciate veterans and what they've done to get us, the future generation, to where we are today. I know I do.